friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about EK's new water block for NVIDIA A100 GPU with 8GB memory. So friend, EK is now offering an enterprise grade GPU water block for PNY NVIDIA A100 8GB PCIe data center GPU and the EK-Pro GPU WB A100 8GB rack. Nickel plus Inox is a high performance water block specifically engineered to make the entire GPU and water block assembly as thin as possible, effectively allowing it to consume only a single PCIe slot with wise. And friend, the water block is equipped with a rack style terminal, considerably reducing the assembly height and increasing the chassis compatibility. And friend, the water block directly cools the GPU, HBM, VRAM and the VRM as the cooling liquid channel directly over these critical areas. And friend, this water block uses an open split for cooling engine design which proved to be a superior solution for GPU water blocks. And it is characterized by low hydraulic flow restriction, which means it can be used with bigger water pumps or pumps running on low speed settings and still achieve top performance. And friend, the lower coolant flow required make its ideal solution for multi-GPU workstation and servers. And friend, the base of the block is CNC machine out of nickel-plated electrolytic copper, while the top is laser cut out of industry-grade stainless steel. And friend, the ceiling is ensured by high-quality EPDM O-Rings, and the brass standoffs are already pre-installed and allow for a safe and easy installation procedure. And friend, this water block features a POM machine terminal block at the back and features two G1 by 4-inch ports, enabling easy integration with EK-Pro QDC kits and manifolds for high compute density applications. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at 272.90 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.